Let's make this delicacy from Cameroon. Eru and water fufu, or is it cassava flour? Guys, Fufu and Eru is a classic in Cameroon. There's no occasion you attend that you don't see this dish being served. So this is not very easy, but I think the end result is worth it, guys. So if you don't want to go through all the hurdle and the tussle of making the fufu, you can also eat your Eru with curry. But I think the fufu is a better choice. Cook your fufu well, or cook your fufu, add water, let it boil. You don't want to have typhoid, guys. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Water fufu and Eru is perfect for lunch or dinner. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.